Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use this budget planner in Google Sheets. We'll set up your budget, record your income, expenses, and savings, then explore the interactive dashboard. This planner is inspired by the popular percentage-based budgeting framework that splits your take-home pay into three specific categories: needs 50%, wants 30%, and savings 20%. 50/30/20 budgeting method, but you're not locked into those percentages. You can customize your own budget amounts and categories to match your financial goals. Let's get started. Sheet overview. When you open the template, you'll see these sheets at the bottom. User guide, budget, financial summary, income, expenses, savings, dashboard, annual dashboard. If this is your first time using the planner, I recommend reading the user guide first. It explains every feature in detail. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete setup step by step. Step 1. Set your opening balance. Open the financial summary sheet. Most of this sheet is protected because it contains formulas. The only editable cell is the highlighted opening balance cell. Enter the amount of money you already have before you begin tracking. If you're starting fresh, simply enter 0. Everything else updates automatically. Step 2. Customize your dropdown. Next, let's personalize the planner. Every category, income, source, and accounts uses dropdown menus. Click any dropdown, select the small pencil icon, add your own options, remove items you don't use, then click Done. This keeps your reports clean and consistent. Step 3. Set your budget. Now open the budget sheet. Here you'll find 3 budget groups: needs, wants, savings. Each section lets you choose your own categories and assign a budget amount. Remember, the planner recommends the 50/30/20 rule, but you are completely free to use any ratio you like. Maybe your budget is 60/20/20, 40/40/20, or something completely different. Simply enter the amounts that fit your situation. Budget summary. On the right side, you'll notice the budget summary table. This automatically calculates total budget for needs, total budget for wants, total savings, goal, overall budget, and the actual percentage each group represents. This gives you a quick overview of how your budget is currently allocated. Step 4. Record your income. Now let's record income. Go to the income sheet. For each payment, simply enter date, income, source, amount, account. Optional note: always enter positive numbers. Repeat this whenever money comes in. Step 5. Record your expenses. Next is the expenses sheet. Each expense requires date, expense, category, amount, payment method, account. Optional note: simply enter the expense amount. Do not use negative numbers. The planner automatically treats these as expenses. Expense summary. On the right side, you'll find the current month summary. It automatically shows budget amount spent, remaining budget progress bar for both needs and wants, along with an overall total. This makes it easy to see where your money is going without opening the dashboard. Step 6. Record your savings. Now open the savings sheet. Whenever you save money, enter date, savings, purpose, amount, account. Optionally add a note. Savings summary at the top. You'll always see this month total, all-time total. On the right side, you'll also find another summary table showing budget saved, remaining progress bar for each savings goal. This helps you see how close you are to reaching every savings target. Step 7. Monthly dashboard. Now for the exciting part. Open the dashboard, choose any month and any year, and the entire dashboard updates automatically. Monthly summary. At the top, you'll see your financial overview. Opening balance, income, expenses, net balance, savings for the selected month. Budget vs spending. The first chart compares your planned budget against your actual spending for needs, wants, savings. This instantly shows whether you're following your budget plan. Savings rate. Next is your savings rate. This tells you what percentage of your income you managed to save during the selected month. A higher savings rate generally means stronger financial habits. Monthly action plan. Instead of generic tips, the planner now gives you a personalized monthly action plan. It can recommend things like how much more to save, which category needs attention, how much budget you still have available, and how many days remain in the selected month. These suggestions update automatically based on your actual data. What happened this month? This section summarizes your month in plain English. You'll quickly see budget usage, remaining budget, biggest expense, savings performance, budget warnings, and an overall monthly insight. Over budget categories. This chart highlights only the categories that exceeded their budgets. It helps you identify exactly where overspending happened. Budget overview. The budget overview summarizes budget, actual spending, remaining amount, budget status for needs, wants, savings, and overall budget, along with your overall budget utilization percentage. Income and expense charts. You'll also find expenses versus budget, income versus expenses, income breakdown, expense breakdown. These charts give you a complete picture of where your money comes from and where it goes. Step 8. Annual dashboard. Finally, open the annual dashboard. Write a year and view your entire financial performance for that year. You'll see yearly totals, yearly charts, and long-term trends, making it easy to compare your finances across the whole year. Important tips. A few quick reminders. Don't edit formula cells, only change input cells. Always use the drop-down lists. Add new records in new rows, and don't insert new columns. Following these simple rules keeps everything working perfectly, and that's it. Your budget planner is now ready to use. Remember, the planner is fully flexible. The 50-30-20 split is only a recommendation. You can create a budget split that works best for your own lifestyle. If you ever need help later, simply open the user guide sheet included in the template.